What is up, guys? Finally got the package we've been waiting for.
The tail lights.
We got some custom tail lights.
Alright, let's get to opening this box. Easy plug and play.
Nice. They got a little flasher, eliminator, or whatever you call it.
These are nice.
Let's see that face.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, what are those called?
Firebug. These tail lights are just 2 screws. Do not unscrew these. Them are not needed. Just 1, 2. Slide. Get it out. Pop it. Simple plug and play. Plug this joint in. Alright, make sure it snaps so you can hear that snap so it's nice and secure.
Woo! Alrighty, guys, that looks slick. This is what the other stock side looks like. So that looks boring,
Plain.
stock, plain, and that just looks crazy. Alright, so we got them both on, and now we're about to turn them on and see what they look like. So we might be giving these taillights away because I don't need them anymore. So if you want them, just follow me on Instagram and we could just work something out. So hit me up in the DM and we'll go from there.
Daytime running lights.
Dude, that is sick. I love it.
Wow. That's
That is
pretty
sick.
dope.
Alright, let's go. Let's hit that left turn signal. Legit.
Look at the side blink.
And that is legit. I've yet to see a tail light like this on a Jeep just driving down the street, so that's pretty unique. These are a newer style, so they probably came out last year towards the end of the year. You might want to get some of these if you got a JK. They're pretty rad, I'd say. How much were they?
They're like $89.
$89, and where'd you? What website?
Off of eBay.
eBay.
Just look up Firebug.
Firebug tail lights. If you want some high quality tail lights, those are sick. That's the reverse there. It's pretty bright.